And boom, we are live. May 17, 2021. Bitcoin is $44,530. So I haven't made a video for a long time. I know some of you may care, others don't care, which is fine. I've been making videos since, I think my last video was when it was close to $15,000 Bitcoin, and then back then I was saying that it's gonna point to 20 to 30 to 40, 45. I didn't see it to go as high as $54,000. I think I was a little bit short. My high that I predict, it was $45,000, which it's happy. It's funny because right now we are cryptocurrencies are going lower, and we have Bitcoin at 500 something. So Ethereum has a big run. In my videos, in my previous videos, I was saying not a big fan about Ethereum, but it turns out that I started getting back into that position because I realized a couple of things, and maybe this is something interesting for you. So back in the days, I'm talking about 2004, 2000. No, not 2004. I'm talking about 2014, 2017. It was a lot of anybody can create a coin and then start like making as much noise as possible in order to make it popular and start spreading out the word that this is gonna change the world or whatever. And then they make a bunch of money with no fundamentals. So, but it turns out that the word spread out, and they said there are too many scams, so we have to pay attention to the fundamentals of the project. If you don't pay, or if you don't read the fundamentals, the technicals and everything, you should not invest. And it turns out that I have some friends that actually they make more money than me because they don't care about the fundamentals about the project. They basically well, they shared this with me. They said basically we are like, I'm investing in projects that they have just the people and making the noise, and the more noise they make, the higher it will go, the token or the coin in this case. And they gave me a couple of examples, like for instance Cardano is nothing more than just right now, not too long ago they launched mainnet and everything, but they don't have any features there. They don't have bigger projects on top of that chain and everything, and yet it keeps rising and rising and rising because a lot of people, marketing of course took place, but at the same time they are there's a lot of people there and they keep spreading the word. So you don't understand. You are like, fundamentals, well, they are there, but there's nothing really happening, and yet the coin is still going out higher and higher. Ethereum, everybody knows about the problems that Ethereum has, and yet it's still rising and rising and rising. So you know that people, that means that is telling you that people don't care about fundamentals. They just care that where more people is where they can make more money. I mean, think about Dogecoin. Dogecoin, it was from 0.006 cents, and now it went up to all the way up to 65, 70 cents, something like that. If you start thinking about fundamentals, and fundamentals were not there. I mean, there are a lot of other projects that they have better technology, and just because a popular guy just start making tweets and everything, and all of a sudden grab attention, and now a lot of people start getting in there. So it's ironic that you may pay attention to the fundamentals. You just want to do everything to invest in the right project, but other people are making more money just because they are just, I don't know, they are just getting into these wave of marketing, or where the people is or whatever. I I kind of changed my strategy a little bit just to diversify or try other strategies that others are suggesting. Mine works pretty good, but when I start comparing numbers with other people that mine, they were a joke. I mean, mine were pretty certain. My conversion rate, it was pretty positive. They conversion rate is not as positive as mine, but it turns out that once they make it once, I mean, they can be in 10 coins, but they make it once, they can make a mistake 9 times, but if they have it right once, they will probably make more money than me. That's what kind of blew my mind. So I start putting this into consideration in my strategies for coins. So I enter a couple more projects into my portfolio. Some of them are, believe it or not, is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is because, you know, everybody knows that there's a guy, popular guy, who is actually promoting this, and that we're gonna send the coin to the moon. They start working on development. There are some projects that actually I start backing up, not the project itself as a coin, but it's more like the rocket or the satellite is gonna be sent to space and everything. So this is gonna take place next year. I entered when it was 37 cents. Right now, I don't know. I'm not sure how much it is, but I'm pretty sure that everybody's cooling down all these feelings and everything. And it turns out that by probably next year, if next year this take place, is gonna be, everybody forgot about this, and then they're gonna try to get in right before all these events are taking place. So you have to consider that if you enter now, then you will be able to profit next year. How high? Who knows? Some people, speculations are saying $1, $3, whatever. The problem with this Dogecoin is that it's an inflation coin, so it has to be always purchased. It has unlimited coins, so it doesn't work as Bitcoin or other coins that they have deflation, and so that's the only thing. But we'll see. There's another coin that I got into. I went back to Ethereum because I realized, I mean, these people made me realize that it's not so much about the fundamentals. We are not, Ethereum has a big problem on the chain and everything, and yet people keep buying that thing. And so I got back into Ethereum. Speculation, or the speculation, and YouTubers, they start creating this pump, huge pump. This pump is about that Ethereum is gonna touch $10,000 this year, whatever. Whether it's true or not, it's true. It turns out that they are making the marketing for this project, and because they are making the marketing for this project, because they are holding. And so you have to take those waves that this friend of mine was telling me, to gain some, have some earnings. So I'm combining my strategies now with this other wave, you can say wave strategies, that are marketing that others are doing for this. Now there is another thing that nobody talks about this, and this is something very interesting. The coin, the nationality, the origins of the nationality, or origins that this tokens are, influence also in the price and in the marketing. And there is a lot of people that could disagree with me, but I start realizing that there are some projects that, just because they don't have the people, or it's coming from a different country, they are not as popular as others in other countries. And you have to be in projects that are popular in countries that they have capitalism. Otherwise, it won't be as effective or as good, or it won't be as much profit as others. That's something that I actually, it's a little more deep than that. I wish I can show that data to show you what I'm talking about. but it is true. What else? That's it. If you, I got a feeling that there is a lot of people now that there are other tokens that are coming out and everything. Those that I'm holding, I'm still holding them. There is a lot of YouTubers that are start promoting Dutch. There are a lot of YouTubers that start promoting Dodge. Dogecoin and Dogecoin, different things. So don't take this as an advice, as a financial advice, but you should start paying attention to low capital, low low supply coins, because those are the ones who may perform pretty good right after this dip. Now, how deep, how low we're gonna go? I got a feeling that we're gonna go lower. Everything is gonna depend with the stock market, because as you know, we were supposed to have a correction, and this is well overdue. So we'll see how the correction, how long it's gonna take place. I'm thinking that in about 3 to 4 weeks. I know that for all of you that are checking their wallets or their portfolio every day or every hour, it's 3 weeks is an eternity, but I got a feeling that in 3-4 weeks we're gonna see if we are going higher than before. So there's yeah, we go lower. I think, in my opinion, we're gonna go lower. So back up with all the coins, your favorite coins that you have. If there is anything else that you want me to talk, or you have a coin, please share your tip. I would be happy to. Oh, I also start getting into XRP, but there is one simple reason that I got into XRP. So like I said, I'm start diversifying and start applying other strategies that it was shared, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you don't like it, you know what to do. If you do like it, just hit the like button. I don't mind. I will try to make more videos, and I'll see you the next one.